Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and it's back to school time. And at back to school, your kids need a snack. They might have after school sports, they might have music lessons, and maybe an art lesson, or they go to cooking class. This is a healthy after school snack that's gonna stay cold, so it's gonna taste refreshing for your kids when they're done with their hard day at school. Or maybe you're off to the gym and you need something too. The recipe today is a vanilla almond milk berry smoothie. The ingredients for this dish is almond milk. This is unsweetened vanilla and fresh berries. Today I have raspberries and blueberries, but any kind of berries are fine. You could even add some banana. And I'm using a sweetener today, and today is an organic blue agave sweetener. And the reason I like this is it's thinner than honey. Honey is thicker, you need to use more of it, and this is sweeter than honey, and you use less. The thickness of honey is not as conducive to blending around into your berries and your milk as I find the agave is. And to keep it cold all day long, after school, and I'm using the new Vaya high technology Drynk thermos, and that's spelled D-R-Y-N-K. This thermos is from Vaya and it's 20 ounces. I've got a trick for when you're making a recipe in a thermos. So to get to the 20 ounces, I'm just gonna put spoonful of berries into my container. And it's about a half cup to a cup of berries that you're gonna need for this recipe. And so that's what it looks like. It's about to 1/3 the size of your vessel. And now is when you pour your almond milk in. Perfect, right to below the grooves on that cup. That's gonna hold the watertight seal. And time to sweeten it. And so now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of that agave syrup. And now we're gonna pour it into the blender, our perfect little amount with all of our ingredients. And give it a whirl. And we have action, Jackson! Done, chum. All of those berries make such a great antioxidant. And you've made the perfect amount to go back into your thermos. And I hope it's a Vaya thermos, because it's got a vacuum therm insulation. That's the newest technology. It's gonna keep it cold for 18 hours. And it keeps a hot liquid hot for 12 hours. It's a stainless steel, slim body. That means it can fit easily into your handbag or car holder. The design has a texture that makes it easy to hold. It's so sleek that it's super easy to clean. And the bottom has a non-slip coaster base that makes it kind of grip so it won't slip and things fall and spill. And one of my favorite features is this magnetic lid. Look at that. That way, when you're taking a sip, the thing isn't gonna pop you in the nose. It's got a zipper top. That's great for water, coffee, liquids like that. But today, I got the gulper. And with the gulper, I just twist it on, and that's where I can drink out of, and I can put the lid on it, and it's leak-proof. Or let's say you want to serve it to your friend, and so you get 2 cups to pour it into, in case you want to give a little toast. Oh, cheers. Yum. It's super easy to clean because it has that wide mouth to get inside of it, and all those parts are easy too. It comes with a 1-year warranty and it's BPA free. It's a gulper and sipper set. 3-in-1. Drynk comes in 2 sizes. There's a Drynk 600. That's what I'm using here today. That's the tall one. And then there's a Drynk 350. Because maybe you don't need all that coffee charge in the morning. Because maybe you just need 1 cup or 1.5 cups to do ya. And it comes with many colors. This is the purple I've used today. I also got a green color, but there's a total of 8 choices. Vaya is a great innovator for containers that go with you to school or work or the gym or anywhere you want to go. I had made a hot creamy pasta as a take to school lunch, so you might check out that video too. The recipe's great and the container's great. So kids, I wish you great success in school. And parents, make sure you charge them up so they can do their best. I'm Rebecca Brown. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring my bell to get notified of the next video that I release. It's time for recess! And if you like this back to school video, check out these others because they have a lot of great recipes in them.